everyone. We've made it. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hi, everybody. I'm Miss Rhonda, and I work with the York County Public Library System. And I would like to welcome you to Cookin' in the Kitchen with Miss Rhonda. Today, I'm so excited to share two special cookie recipes with you. And they were inspired by this book. This book, entitled A World of Cookies for Santa, is a wonderful book that tells you how children prepare on Christmas Eve to leave out their cookies for Santa all around the world. They go from all different locations. Here's one at Christmas Island, New Zealand, Australia, and of course, we're gonna jump on over to the United States. And in America, the children like to leave Santa a glass of milk and a plate full of yummy cookies. So today, I'm gonna help you get started with that. I know that this could be a wonderful tradition in your family. When my boys were little, one of my greatest memories was they each had a little Santa Claus apron that they would wear, and I kept them in a special place in the buffet in the kitchen. And when we would get those aprons out, they knew it was time to get to do some Christmas baking. And I have vivid memories of that. And I think it would be wonderful if you and your mamas and daddies, big people, grandma, grandpas, could start a tradition like that too. And these recipes are simple, easy, fast, and I'll tell you a secret. I found every ingredient at the dollar store except for one. And I'll tell you what that is a little bit later. All right, we're gonna start with teddy bear sleighs. Alrighty, what you're gonna need for your teddy bear sleighs, you're gonna need some Teddy Grahams, you're gonna need some mini Snickers bars, and if you can't find those, just go ahead and substitute Milky Way. They just have to be the smaller size. And then, whoops, Snicker bar down. And then you're going to need some mini candy canes. And finally, we've got some glue, which is chocolate frosting. Yum! And I just took a tub of frosting. I used my craft stick. I scooped out the frosting and filled up a little bag. And then just cut the tip off right there, and it makes it easy to pipe out. It just comes out so nice and easy. Oh, somebody's gotta eat that. All right, you ready? I'll show you how we're gonna put them together. First, you take two of the candy canes, set them side by side, and then you're gonna get one of your mini Snickers bars. Now turn him over on the flat side. And you've got the flat side. I want you to put a great big helping of frosting. See that? And then you're going to turn that frosting side down, and you're going to put it on top of the candy canes so that they are stuck together with that frosting glue. Now, to make it a teddy bear sled, see, it's already looking like a sled. To make a teddy bear sled, you take your frosting glue again. I want you to put a great big dollop on the top. You see how Miss Rhonda's done that? And then we're going to take one teddy bear to drive the sled. And then we're going to take another teddy bear and we're going to let them ride in the sled. And that's all there is to it, sweethearts. Look how simple. And what a yummy treat. Sliding through the snow. And that was cookie treat number 1. Now we'll move on to cookie treat number 2. cookie treat number 2. This is going to be our Rudolph cookie. And for this, you're going to need, we've got some more frosting. This time it's white, and I just piped it right into, or put it right into the bag with my craft stick. Cut off the tip. You will need some Nutter Butter cookies. And remember that one ingredient I said I wasn't able to find at the Dollar Tree? Well, it was Mr. Nutter Butter. I've seen them there before, but I wasn't able to get them this time. So I got these at the grocery store, but you may be able to find them on sale. And then you're going to need some mini pretzels. And you're going to need some chocolate M&Ms and some red M&Ms. We just need those two. The chocolate are the eyes, and the red is what? That's right, it's the nose for Rudolph. So to make this delicious treat, I want you to take a Nutter Butter cookie, a little bit of our frosting, and all we're going to do is we're going to pipe a little hat right on top of Mr. Rudolph. Take one of our pretzels, and then we're just going to put that there. And what are we going to call those? Antlers. Let's see, Miss Rhonda's got them on a little bit crooked. There we go. Now, we're going to put one eye, two eyes, and then what's this going to be? That's right, Rudolph's red nose. So we're going to add that eye. We're going to add that eye. And here he comes. Rudolph with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? I love that song. And that's all that is to do for this treat. We've got Rudolph. And I'm going to show you. When you go to put your cookies out for Santa in the morning, you can put out a tray just like this with Rudolph cookies and with teddy bear sleds. And don't forget, Rudolph won't eat that cookie, but what will he eat? That's right. You need to leave Rudolph a carrot. Well, not just Rudolph. You can go ahead and leave for all of them. Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid, Donner and Blitzen. All of the reindeer. Well, that was short. That was simple. But it can be a lot of fun if you do these cookie treats with your family and start a new tradition. I want to remind you that the library is open now, and we also have our winter reading challenge going on. So you'll want to register for that because there are some great prizes and incentives at the end, and you can find all of the information at our website, yclibrary.org. All right, sweethearts. This was a short episode, but you've got a lot to do this season because at Christmas time, there's lots of hustle and bustle. But what I want you to remember most is that you are very loved, that you are very special, and that it's a wonderful time to be with family. So, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.